Hello teacher, this is my presentation of the pronunciation, the workshop. I like to watch cooking programs. My hotel is very big. He drinks coffee every day. This dinner is really good. This is a very good restaurant. I am a doctor. I teach music at school. I have an English exam. She is a really happy child. This is the family farm. This is my phone number. This store is beautiful. I play with my cat in the afternoon. This bread is very good. Where is the coffee shop? Thanks, teacher.